Install an HP printer in macOS using a wireless connection and a guided download and installation service from HP. On your Mac, open a web browser and navigate to 123.hp.com/setup. Click Download to save HP Easy Start to your Mac, and then open the file. If a security prompt appears, click Open. Review the agreements and settings, and then click the checkbox to agree to the terms. Click Continue. Make sure your printer is set up and powered on. Also, verify your Mac is connected to the wireless network in which you want to connect your printer. If your printer is currently or was previously connected to a different network, restore the default wireless settings on the printer. For assistance resetting the wireless settings for your printer, go to support.hp.com. Click Continue. Select your printer from the detected devices. If your printer is not displayed or cannot be detected, make sure the printer power light and wireless light are both on. If it is still not detected, the printer might not be supported by the software. Go to support.hp.com/drivers to download the latest drivers for your printer. With your printer selected, click Continue. Verify the wireless network listed is the one you want to join. If the correct network is not listed, click the drop-down menu and select your network. Click Join to temporarily connect your Mac to your printer to transfer the wireless settings. The first time HP Easy Start runs, it prompts you to allow access to your keychain. Only click Deny if you need to manually enter the network credentials. Click Allow to configure the printer automatically using the network settings stored on your Mac. With the printer connected, click Continue. Read and respond to the on-screen instructions to get to the Install screen. On the Install screen, select your options and then click Install. If prompted, enter the administrator password. The printer software is downloaded and installed. With the software installation complete, click Continue. Select your desired status and alert options and then click Continue. Click Add Device to add the printer to the Printers and Scanners queue. With the printer added, click Continue. Click Continue again. Click Continue Online to finish setting up your printer. Click Finish to complete the installation and start printing with your HP printer.